Week 4, day 3 is all about word problems. So number 1, there are twice as many tomato plants as there are pepper plants. If there are 18 pepper plants, how many tomato plants are there? So I need to find out that this word twice as many tomato as there are pepper, and there are 18 pepper plants. Sorry, it got blurry there. So to find the tomato plants, I need to take twice this amount, and twice is times 2. So 18 times 2 is 36, and that matches letter C. Number 2, if Jody is 5 times as old as Kennedy, and Jody is 30, how old is Kennedy? Well, Jody is 5 times old as Kennedy, and she's 30. So if I put 30 in for Jody, I'm going to put my 30. I come across this word is, which is my equal sign. Then I have 5 times Kennedy, so I'm going to put a K in for Kennedy. So I just went through my sentence and rewrote it as a math sentence so that it would make sense to me. And I know that 5 times 6 equals 30. Number 3, there are 42 white sweaters in the store. This number is 3 times greater than the number of green sweaters. How many green sweaters are there? So again, if I go back, this number that they're talking about is this 42. So I'll start with 42. Then I have the word is. That means my equal sign. Then I see 3 times greater than the number of green sweaters. So 3 times something equals 42. And that's not a math fact that I know, so I'm going to set up my division problem to work backwards to figure that out. 3 can go into 4 one time, which is 3, and I subtract and I get a 1. I bring down my 2. 3 can go into 12 4 times, which is 12, so I have no remainder. So I got 14 green sweaters, which goes with B. Number 4, there were 12 cats in the barn. And, oh, we can't see that number, can we? And I think it says in 4 times as many mice. So if we skip this problem, that's okay. If we do 4 times, we would get D. So we'll just jump ahead to number 5. Last week, Henry walked 5 times farther than George. If Henry walked 20 miles, how far did George walk? So let's see. Last week, Henry walked 5 times farther than George. So 5 times George gives me Henry. So 5 times George gives me Henry. And Henry walked 20 miles. So I can say 5 times George gave me 20 miles because I know Henry. And I know that 5 times 4 is 20. And number 6. Kayla saved 6 times as much money as Joe. If Joe saved 17, how much did Kayla save? So 6 times Joe was Kayla. So I'm going to do 6 times Joe was Kayla. And in this instance, I know Joe saved $17. So 6 times 17 equals Kayla. And then I need to set up that multiplication problem to figure out Kayla. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So Kayla saved $102. So that's our day 3 in week 4.